Hello everyone. Do you know that your LinkedIn profile can help you to get your interview call even before you apply for a job? Welcome back to my channel. If you are a college student preparing for a placement or for an internship, so this video is really beneficial for all of you. Today I will show you how to create a professional LinkedIn profile step by step. Many students spend hours for making their resume, but they forget about making their LinkedIn profile stronger. So the truth is that many recruiters first check your LinkedIn profile before contacting you. So let's learn how to make your profile stand out. Why LinkedIn is matter? So imagine two students with the same marks. Why does only one get a recruiter call? The answer is LinkedIn. Today, LinkedIn has more than 1 billion users and thousands of recruiters use it every day. When companies need freshers, they search for skills like Java, Python, data analytics, digital marketing, and many more. And if your profile is complete and has the right keyword, recruiters can find you easily. So think of LinkedIn as your online resume that works for you 24 hours a day. So if a recruiter searches a Python fresher, so your profile can appear in the search results. But when you have added Python as a keyword in your profile. So benefits of LinkedIn. Instead of searching for jobs every day, what if recruiters started finding you? Isn't it good? So a good LinkedIn profile gives you a three big benefits. So first, more people can find your profile. Okay, top recruiters can search you easily and the visibility is more on the LinkedIn. Second thing is that you may get an internship, a job opportunities that are not posted on a job portals. Third thing is your projects, your certificates and skill build trust with the recruiters. So the stronger your profile, the better your chances of getting notice. So don't get bothered. Okay, slowly you can create your profile stronger. Okay, so if you will follow this 5 steps roadmap, so definitely it will be helpful for you. Creating a LinkedIn profile is very easy. Just follow all these steps. So the first thing is create your account and change your profile link. Okay. Second thing is upload your professional photo and a banner. Third thing is write a good headline and the about us section. Fourth thing is add your educational skills, projects, certificates, and finally turn on open to work. So the recruiters know you are looking for opportunities. Master the profile photo. Profile photo is very important in your LinkedIn profile, even on the another social media handles that you are using. So your profile photo creates your first impression. So choose a clear photo where your face is easy to see. Wear a formal or neat shirt or a proper dress, a blazer if you want to wear. Use a simple background. Smile naturally. Don't upload your selfies, your group photos, or vacation pictures. Remember, your photo should make you look professional. So it should be a very professional photo uploaded on your profile. Okay. Many times students are making mistakes while they are adding the banner or keep it blank on their LinkedIn profile. So don't keep this space empty. It's a free of cost branding of your profile. So use it carefully. So your banners tell what kind of personality you are and in which field you are interested in. If you are a computer science background student, so use a banner related to your coding or AI or the technology that you are interested in. If you are a MBA, BBA student, so you can definitely go ahead with the business and a finance kind of banner. So a good banner make your profile look complete and professional. So writing an SEO friendly headline. So your headline is also important. So this is a one line can decide where recruiters find you or not. So don't write student or looking for a job. Instead mention your skills. Like I have showing you here that you can see the headlines. If it is an computer engineering background student, so mention a computer engineering, a computer science, and the technologies that you have added. Okay, mention your skills. So the recruiters can search you using your skills and not the keyword student. So the skills are important here in your headline. So always include your important skills in your headline. Okay, if you are interested in React, Angular, Python, or data analytics, whatever it is, just mention your important skill as a tagline in your headline. That is a very important thing. Okay, in about us section. So this is your 30-minute introduction, 30-second introduction that you are giving. So this is a chance to introduce yourself, and in these sections you have to write about yourself, who you are, what you are learning, what you want to become, mention your skills, or add one or two projects. If you have done any projects, you have to write it down. Then keep it very short and simple so that recruiter can read it properly and they can get back to you. End your about us section with your professional email ID. That should be a valid one through which you can send and receive email. It should not be a fake email ID. Okay, then the sector comes for education, skills, and your certificates. Certificates don't get you a job alone, but they definitely make your profile stronger. So add your college details in the education sector, add your CGPA that you are getting in the semesters. Then in your core skills, you have to mention about the certifications that you have done. If you have done any certifications through Coursera, NPTEL, Google, Microsoft, AWS, anything you have done, you have to mention. And again, you have to add your projects here. Okay, this is also give a weightage to your education skills and certificates. Then again for projects there is a separate section is given. So no work experience, so your project become your experience. So at the time of interview you can explain your project in a well manner so that interviewer can get impressed, but make sure it should be made by you only. It is not a copy and pasted projects. So explain every project in three simple parts. Okay, what was the problem that you finding out, and what you exactly built, and what was the reason. So for example, you build an attendance system using Python to reduce the attendance time by 40%. So you have to mention that impact in your project. So this is a simple example I have given you here. So in this way you can add your own project if you have done. Okay. So basically LinkedIn is for recruiter outreach and it can be useful for the good networking. So don't just send a connection request. Okay. So many students are sending just a blank messages or a blank connection. So always send a short message with your connection. So connect with your alumni, connect with the HR and professional with a small message which make a big difference. So I have also added a small message here, so you can finding out a connection note. Hi, I am a final year CA student. I follow this company and would love to connect to learn more about this. So in this way you can connect with your professionals, so which look again good and it creates an impression. So you can use such kind of calendar. Okay, don't need to post every day. You can weekly post on your LinkedIn profile. Don't bother about that. You can follow the calendar or you can create your own calendar to stay active on your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so just a post 1 week is also good. If you have done any certification, so upload your certificate. If you have completed any internship, so you can uh, post your LinkedIn certificate. You can share your projects if you have participated in any training program, so you can share your experience there. You can also upload your certificate. If you have participated in any hackathon, so you can share your experience there. So this keeps you always active, and your profile will be active and strong on LinkedIn. Make sure that all the recruiters are very interested to check what kind of post you have made on your LinkedIn, and based on that post also they are going to ask you the question. So whenever you are uploading any post, make sure you should have clear idea about what you are actually posting, and if it is asked by any interviewer, you should explain those things. Okay, very few common mistakes students are making while they are creating their LinkedIn account, and these are the common noticed mistakes. Okay, so don't keep the default banner. Okay, it should be your own with your interested area banner. Okay, don't leave the about us section empty. Many students keep it as a blank. Don't use a random number on your LinkedIn link. Okay, if you want to add your number, then add your number in your profile. Okay, it should not any random number. And never post unprofessional content. It is not the unprofessional website. It is a very professional platform through which you can connect with the HR, with the alumni, and through the professional person. So use it carefully. Okay, so let's check what is difference between. You can see here the two profiles I have uploaded here. This is one just a case study, a generic profile before optimizing the LinkedIn profile, and this is optimized profile after adding all the things on the LinkedIn. So let's see the difference between average and the recruiter friendly profile. On the left hand side, the profile looks incomplete. Okay, nothing is there, no photo, photo is not cropped, headline is not there, summary is blank, no features are added. Okay, so it looks very unprofessional. But on the second right side, it has a professional photo, a good headline, a projects, and a certificates. So which one you like? If you were a recruiter, so which you will select? Obviously the right one, the optimized profile you will like. Okay, these are the top 10 placement success checklist. You can definitely go through it. So before your placement start, make sure you have completed these 10 points. Complete your profile, add your projects, upload your certificate, turn on open to work, ask for recommendations, post regularly. These small steps can make a big difference. Okay, if you are active on LinkedIn, so obviously you can find out many HR, you can increase your network, you can increase your all good networking. So this will be helpful for your profile. So this is here a 7-day LinkedIn action challenge I'm going to share with you. Give yourself just 20 minutes a day for 1 week. Okay, so day 1 you have to create your account, then day 2 you have to upload your photo, your banner which looks a visual. Okay, then day 3 you have to add your keywords. Okay, add your headline, add your summary pitch. Then in day 4, add your credentials, that is your educational skills tag, your certifications, everything you can mention here. Then day 5, upload your projects. If you have not yet done, then you have to definitely work on your projects and then you have to upload. And day 6 you have to start connecting with the alumni, with the HR professionals, and you have to start publishing your post. So publish your first LinkedIn post with your certification projects or anything that you are doing as a student. So, what summary and takeaways we can take from this today's session? So, remember, your LinkedIn profile is your digital first impression. Okay, so keep your profile updated, keep learning, keep sharing your achievements. The more professional your profile looks, the better your chances of getting noticed by the recruiters. If you find this video is really helpful for you, so don't get bothered to like, share and subscribe. Also comment if you have any question. Please, you can share me comments on YouTube, or you can connect me on my LinkedIn profile. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and wish you all the best for your placements. Thank you so much everyone.